And after 15 championship appearances, 4 finals, she is finally the WDF Lakeside World Champion, Dita Hedman.
Tlws yn ac mae'r wen ar ei gwynebu yn deud y cyfan.
And Lakeside has finally been ticked off for Dita Hedman.
Dita Hedman, you are a world champion here at Lakeside. How does it sound?
Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic to hear that world champion, finally, at the tender age of 66.
Tender age of 66, you've been here so many times before and been so close to being a world champion before. Try and describe the emotions of now having achieved that dream.
I think you saw when I hit the double how I reacted. I said to Lorraine, because I started crying, I said to her, stay with me. Don't go. Because I was just bawling into her shoulder thinking, oh God, you big baby. I didn't realise it was such an emotional moment.
Did it live up to what you expected it would feel like, hitting that winning double?
Oh, good God, yes.